So far, he is.
Okay, it's recording.
Huh?
It's recording. Move over, Daniel. Let me sit down.
Okay.
So Daddy. Oops.
Need more water in it?
Ouch. Ow.
Want more water in it?
I'll put a sleep in the pool.
I think it didn't really know where it was going.
Yeah.
I think he thought that was
Yeah, I want to put some more water in here.
Ooh.
Are you getting it, Tammy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, now you come. Let me pour some more in there. Stick his beak in it. Yeah. You getting stirred up now. Like you'll fly away.
Yeah, because Daddy's arm is not that comfortable. I've sat on it before.
Yeah.
Don't make it pick you.
I
Oh!
hope his wing ain't broke. His wing might be broke.
Is he not flapping it?
Huh? I can't tell.
Want more?
You hold this, let me hold that. Am I aggravating you?
Oh, there it went. He's flapping
There you
it.
go.
Okay.
He's flapping it.
So that means his wing ain't broke, but what about his leg? Be careful, don't make it peck you.
Let me pour some in there. Blew into that one to hard. He was out there, I think. I saw him up there. I mentioned to Daniel, I said, there's a bird. I believe he's trying to catch something in our window, and then the next thing you know, he done flew back into the thing.
Yeah. Daddy. I think
You
this
better
bird-
come too.
Don't drive drunk, which means don't run into our window.
You better come too.
Daddy.
What you reckon if you just put him up on the windowsill?
You'd probably find
something about see him. I think what I'm gonna do is try to put him in that tree out there and see what he does.
Why don't we just pour the whole thing of water on him, see if it'll fly away?
He's drinking a little bit of water.
Okay, more.
Put some more in.
You can't see it now.
Well, too bad. You're gonna have to get water.
Are you about ready to go?
Here, sir. Here's
I
some
don't
more.
want to get him too.
Oops.
Well, you know, maybe he may end up being all right. I sure do hope so, because he flew right into that window.
Do like they do on TV.
There's a
Go,
mark
fly,
right
bird.
there.
He was about to go.
There's
He
some
was about to
more.
close his eyes and I started blowing in his mouth.
Do like this and go, fly, fly.
Let's see if we can put him up in this tree.
Don't move too
I don't want
quickly.
to step in the fire.
Be careful. Can't see him out there.